Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, 100 JavaScript and TypeScript Mistakes and How to Avoid Them, written by Azat Mardan.
This guide offers an introduction to the significance of learning TypeScript for web development. The book's benefits include enhancing TypeScript comprehension, refining code quality, increasing productivity, fostering collaboration, and ensuring future relevance of skills. Its primary goal is to help readers evade common errors and fully exploit TypeScript's potential. TypeScript has quickly become one of the most prevalent programming languages. It enhances JavaScript by introducing static typing and other features that boost code quality and developer experience. TypeScript's advantages include early error detection, improved development experience, effective large codebase management, a robust community and ecosystem, future-proofing, and gradual adoption. Proficiency in TypeScript can also improve job opportunities and salary prospects. TypeScript is a robust programming language that augments JavaScript by reducing bugs, refining code quality, and boosting developer productivity. It is an excellent choice for contemporary software development projects. Let's delve into how TypeScript operates. TypeScript is a JavaScript superset that introduces optional static types and other features to simplify large-scale application writing and maintenance. It allows developers to write TypeScript code, which is then error-checked and compiled into plain JavaScript. The compiled code can run in any JavaScript environment. TypeScript also enhances code sharing and offers superior tooling support in popular code editors. However, TypeScript is not flawless and can sometimes be perplexing. This book was designed to address these challenges and guide you through your TypeScript journey. The book is divided into 10 main chapters with 10+ mistakes in each. Types, functions, classes, generics, enums, tuples, async programming, and libraries frameworks. Each chapter concentrates on a specific mistake type and offers comprehensive explanations, bite-sized examples, and practical solutions. The appendices include TypeScript setup instructions, a cheat sheet, and additional resources. This book is designed for TypeScript advanced beginners and engineers with some TypeScript experience, but who still find it confusing. It is ideal for those who have dabbled in TypeScript but haven't had the opportunity to delve deep. However, if you are already a TypeScript expert, this book may not be for you. It is not a replacement for the comprehensive and lengthy TypeScript documentation. This book aims to be a shorter and more enjoyable read, with small and illustrative examples to help you better understand TypeScript. This book will assist you in correcting errors in your TypeScript codebase. It offers practical tips and knowledge, recent TypeScript features, and is free of ads and typos. It aims to make learning TypeScript entertaining, and will guide you through the pitfalls so you can become fluent in TypeScript. By learning from your mistakes, you will improve and reach the other side successfully. Moreover, you'll find out, how does a TypeScript developer express their love? Our relationship has a lot of potential, once it's been properly defined and strictly typed. How TypeScript developer break up. They say, it's not you, it's the type mismatch. Why did the TypeScript developer go broke? Because he used up all his any and was stuck with never.
Get this book at manning.com